Hello, how are you? I hope everything is well. So today's video I am doing a tutorial using the Morphe Share the Secret palette. And I'm gonna go ahead and get started with the swatches that you will be seeing right now. This palette is very beautiful. I feel like it's more in the dark mauve berry side. There is a glitter that's almost like an overspray, but it still has the glitter. It just has a really dark base with that shadow. And so this is how it looks like up close. Very beautiful packaging. In it, it says, "Your confidence is the ultimate beauty secret." XO Morphe. I love that they put quotes for the palettes. And so it would be this shade that I'm talking about that looks like an overspray, but when you go deep into it, it just has like a dark base, but it still has the shimmer. So I already primed my eyelids with the Zoeva eye primer. It's the matte finish. And I will be using my Sigma brushes, the E40 and the E25. And I'll go ahead and get started with the look. Okay, so to finish off my look, I am going to use this Bath & Body Works lip gloss in Strawberry. I've used this a couple of times and I think it's okay. It has like a slight taste of strawberry, but the scent is very artificial. Okay, so I am done with my look and this is how it came out. So I'm really happy with the palette. I think it really gives me Natasha Denona retro palette. She has like some of these tones from that version of her palette. So I'm really happy to have this. I really loved this shade. It's super beautiful all over the lid. Very shiny and sparkly. Okay, so before I end the video for day number 7, I want to mention this. So on the 7th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me the gift of generosity. For it is in giving that we receive. St. Francis of Assisi. And then for some quotes, I found a couple of them, and one of them says, "The smallest act of kindness is worth more than the grandest attention." Oscar Wilde. I have found that among its other benefits, giving liberates the soul of the giver. Maya Angelou. Money is but one venue for generosity. Kindness is an even more valuable currency. Ellen Cohen. Generosity is giving more than you can, and pride is taking less than you need. Helen Gilfriend. A kind gesture can reach a wound that only compassion can heal. Steve Maraboli. Real generosity toward the future lies in giving all to the present. Albert Camus. The best thing to do with the best things in life is to give them away. Dorothy Day. The most truly generous persons are those who give silently without hope of praise or reward. Carol Ryrie Brink. And then lastly, generosity, the habit of giving freely without expecting anything in return. Anonymous. So I hope you enjoyed watching, my friend. May God bless always. Take good care. Be safe. Be well. And I hope to see you on my next video real soon.